Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have PCl6, which is anion. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. And if you substitute in the formula, phosphorus valence is 5, chlorine atoms are 6, and you have negative charge. So if you substitute in the formula, you have 12 by 2, which gives 6. The lone pair will be H minus, which is 6 minus 6 equals 0. So H6 means sp3d2 hybridization without lone pair mean you have phosphorus at center and 6 chlorine atom in the axial position, which is typical octahedral position. So the geometry of PCl6 minus is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.